A couple of weeks ago, I asked my Instagram followers if they were interested in seeing kind of the behind the scenes of what it's like here. Actually, it was about 2 months ago that I asked my Instagram followers. Everyone said, yes, let's have a little peek into your life. So I took 3 or 4 weeks and I recorded video clips here and there of some of the things that we do. I've gathered them up in a short little video for you today. I hope you enjoy it. My name is Cindy and I'm with Reinvented Delaware. Usually we share tutorials, but today we're sharing a little bit of a week in the life. Mondays is the day that our little dog Barkley goes to doggy daycare. I know that sounds a bit extreme, but our dog likes to bark a lot, and on Mondays and Tuesdays I have a lot of computer work to do. When he's barking, I just have such a hard time concentrating and staying focused and all of that. So my husband and I just decided that would be nice for him to just go spend the day and meet some little doggy friends and give me several hours that I could just focus and work on blog work and answering email and social media and all of that stuff. I know that doesn't sound like much, but it really does help me out if he spends the day at the daycare. And I really think he has a lot of fun. He goes, he plays, runs around in the yard, barks with all the other dogs, and then he comes home at about 5 o'clock and he's exhausted and sleeps really good that night. Do you remember the days of your kids playing with other kids outside and how tired they would be that night? That's kind of the way that it is with our little dog, and believe me, he sleeps like a baby that night. During the time that I was recording these video clips to share with you, I was also working on our kitchen cabinets. I repainted them, and I made a blog post and a video about them, about the cabinets and the whole process. I'll be sure to link it in the cards above and also down below in the description. Most mornings I step out first thing in the morning to get a beautiful image of the day. I just like to go look for something of beauty, snap a quick couple of photos, and then I share those over on my Instagram stories. My followers seem to enjoy it. I really enjoy it. It's a great way to start the day. I'll share some images that I've taken. Every morning I have to get that dishwasher unloaded. That's another great way to start the day. And speaking of starting the day off, I get my breakfast ready right away. I make a smoothie most mornings from frozen fruit, homemade yogurt, a banana, and some almond milk. The wireless mic that I ordered for video recording came, and honestly, I'm still learning how to use this thing. The other thing that came is my Dinnerly box. I get this box once a week on Tuesdays usually, and it includes 3 dinner meals, everything you ever needed for each meal. It comes with the vegetables, the meats, the onions, the seasonings, just about everything. There are a few things that are omitted, like olive oil. They assume that you already have that, or salt and pepper. The great thing about this box is that all the planning, all the portions are made out for me, all the shopping is done, and I get that box in the mail, and then I have 3 meals that I don't even have to think about during my busy week. I usually make these meals on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Those are the weeknights that I'm the busiest, and then I save the other 4 days of the week. I make homemade meals. I like these meals a lot. I keep it in the fridge. It's very handy. In the mornings, first thing while I'm having my coffee, even before I've taken my good morning picture, I'm usually out answering email, and I try to get that done before I get the bulk of my day done. I also like to write in my journal. I read a devotional and some scripture to get my day started off. trying to make sure that I get enough water throughout the day. It's so important for us. And by this point, it's 10 a.m. and I'm right on target. Keep in mind that this video was recorded over a span of about 3 weeks, so I did all sorts of things. This particular day, I needed to clean up my workshop, and I gave my little area a really good cleaning with my shop vac and put things away where they belong. And even though that looks messy in there, it's all organized in my opinion. I had to get it all organized so that I could work on that little table. See that over on the left? There's already a clamp on it where I made a repair, and I did a cute little thing with this table. You're going to love it. I'll link the video for this tutorial up in the cards and also down in the description. And here's one of the best things about where I work. I can look out of the big garage door and see a beautiful scene like this, smell the air, feel the breeze, and listen to the sounds of spring.
So on the rare occasion that this happens, I'm meeting a friend for lunch. Like, this just doesn't happen for me. And I just thought I'd pop in here and let you know that. And then I'll be back at my computer working again this afternoon.
After my lunchtime with my friend, and by the way, I had so much fun getting together with an older friend of mine, I headed over to Wilderlove and I took care of some things that needed to be taken care of. I had to re-letter some signs on my chalkboards. I rearranged the little goodies that I had to bring, like that table. You'll see that in the video. I just took everything down, for the most part. I took everything down, kind of rearranged and freshened up all the things in our little spot over at Wilderlove, so that when our customers come through, they can see the things that we have to offer and shop and just be able to see all the fun things that we've made. I usually start dinner around 5 o'clock, and it's wonderful to be able to open up my Dinnerly app and choose one of the 3 meals that came with my box earlier in the week, pick out the ingredients that they tell me to pick out, and then follow their step-by-step instructions on the app. This makes dinner preparation so easy. I don't have to think about what to have, how to cook it, or any of that. All I have to do is read the directions, and in about 20 or 30 minutes, I've got a delicious and healthy meal for my husband and I to enjoy. One of the nice things about Dinnerly is that I can add to it, like this rice for instance. They just called for regular white rice. I cooked mine in chicken stock, and then I added Parmesan cheese to it. This is really, really a good recipe, and it's very easy to just add the cheese that I already had in the fridge. So there you go, an average week in our life here at Reinvented Delaware. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel? And I would also love it if you gave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. If you like it, we'll make more of them. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.